All right, chat, we just checked into our rooms. Now we're heading to the other side of the resort where our homeboy is going to be escorting us to our rooms. Let's go. We're here at the Saletoga Springs here in Samoa. So check it out. Saletoga Sands Resorts and Spas. Coming to a new year. Let's go, Ashay. Got our driver Kiefer. And our missus. Let's go! Yo, chat, check out the view. Beautiful Samoa. Check that out. Look how clear the water is. This is beautiful. Check it out. I'm gonna show you guys our room. So this is our resort we're staying at for the next 2 nights. And this is my room. I am camping here with my brother. We're gonna be sharing this little loft together. Shout out to him, Uso Evo. Give you a little tour. This is our bathroom. Check this out. Beautiful. Look, you even got your own little outdoor shower. Bro, tell me that's not cool. Oh, yeah. This is the best part right here. When you're sleeping, you wake up, and what do you see? Beautiful. Samoa. Beautiful. Look, there goes the Uso on his way. Hey, shout out to QT, Gwen Toiloa. This is all sponsored by him. So shout out to him. Let's go. Very, very nice. Samoa. We got more of the family. Shout out to my Uso Kiefer. Lehu. Marklina. Let's go. Where you guys going? So check it out. We're about to pull up to the bar. They're doing a live Pia night, I think. Right now I can hear some music coming from the front of us, so we're making our way towards there. Look at our vloggers. Look at our vloggers. Look at all these YouTubers. Look at all these future YouTubers. Let's go. Check it out. This is Saletoga. Look at that. The entrance to the beach. How tropical is that?
This is where we pulled up, you guys. This is where Lonnie hurt her leg right over here. We parked right here. TJ, remember this was where we parked? Yeah, and she walked up and we looked out here.
Those two putting it together now.
The resort. Zam. Let's go, Magrita. Lalo. Shit. Shit, look at this. Beautiful Samoa.
Okay, I gotta slide down.
That's Kiefer. Look at those big arms. Beast. Sponsored by Violima. She's waving! Showing the Mondo wave.
Let's go! Yeah! We out here. You look, we might be over there. It's riding over here. You want to take a picture? Did you guys see that abandoned? Did you see the abandoned?
Huh?
Did you see all the Wi-Fi password?
No.
Only reception at the bar area too.
No, they were reading it from the thing.
Yeah, so check it out. When you come to Saletoga, they got a little kiddie area for the kids. Check it out. They got the playground over there. They got the little kiddie pool. And it's also fenced off so the kids stay safe. You feel me? Sam! Check it out, chat. Sam!
No worries.
Shout out to Quentin and Lehua. Showing us with these tolas and this beautiful resort. Let's go. Chat. We just left the beach docks, and I must say, very quite nice. So check it out. We are going to the restaurant. I think we want to go back to the bar. So yeah. Security vibes, man. Shit. Chat, tap in. You know that we gotta use the Wi-Fi. Cause chat, my shit ain't got no signal. It's a signal of Kamsing, eh? So we gotta come here to the restaurant and my wireless signal. Here with the Uso keeper. Got my brother at the front. Chat, this is where all the fun goes down. If you want some ice up, come here. Chat, mo best of say, only take serious. Yo, fuck better chat in, beautiful. Check it out. We're here in Samunda. Let's go. So the second young 80s chat. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Check this out. You got the rugby jersey. Look at this, chat. Oh, we even got these signed. That's crazy. Let's go, chat. You already know. You know the vibes, chat. Oh, let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Right now, I got the lamb rank out. Check that out. That shit, it looks fire. See what you get. Chicken and chips.
I don't know, whatever.
Pizza.
One more.
Lasagna.
We all need to be taking shots.
Okay, he does. That's
Fire.
He's here for a month and a
More
half.
lasagna.
One more shot.
Keep
I ate a salad today, man.
Gee, let her live. You can live. Let her live.
Let's go.
What else you can have?
Did not even know they got a pool here. This shit look nice. It's nighttime though. I thought we were coming to your guys' room.
Yeah. There's Jake.
He's waiting for his video to upload. Yeah, this is one of the pool. Here, give me the food.
Give Longa the plate.
Here.
Yeah, she has everything in her hands.
A few moments later.
What a,
I thought so too.
Chad, do you not see?
She got a bottle that's empty. She got a drink that's empty. She got things that could have been left out the house.
Chad, are you hearing these? Man, we should make a reality TV show. I'm filming him and he's filming her. Guys, check this out. This is a nice ass resort. This is beautiful. It's like tropical.
Come check out the Honeymoon.
Check it out, guys. So we're gonna do a little quick review on this. Ask for the honeymoon suite. And when you ask for the honeymoon suite, this is what you're gonna get. You get a waitress that brings your own food. Let's go. Damn. Let's go, chat. Check it out. This is the honeymoon suite. You get your TV, desk. You got another desk. You even get a couch, king bed, table. Let's check out the bathroom. Look, you got two ACs, one there. Man. Nice. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Whoa. Sheesh. Only here at Saletoga. Oh my goodness. Chat, check this out. You get your own little swimming pool out here. Bro, this is crazy cool. Wow. Bro, this is stunning. This is what you call speechless. This is what you call no comment. This is the honeymoon suite for Saletoga Sands Resort. And peep this. As soon as you come out here, bam! You got the beach right in front of you. Bro, what more can you ask for, chat? You can just hear the water literally right there where I'm pointing, chat. Wow, that's crazy. Pitch black too. Woohoo!
Let's go turn
Did we just turn on the whole light thing? Oh, what the hell?
yeah, turn on the dark lights.
Check this out. We are in the middle of
I control
nowhere.
this shit. You see the bridge? Watch the bridge. Watch that. Ching. Watch when it go off. Ching. Ching.
I think you should leave the blue on. That shit is nice.
It's connected to that.
Oh,
Oh, it's this. What's that? It must be the dim lighting. Oh, it's fine. Try it. Nope. It's in there. No, they all try something. Try the other switch.
only the lights.
Charlie, we're over here, Jake.
This guy's gonna join us. I'll show you one, baby. You get to be part of this. Oh my goodness. Look at baby.
It was all her chat.
My cousin Keith. The nigga over here swimming in his almost 11 o'clock at night. Yeah. Let's go.
Chat, so check it out. We just woke up. And Jesus couldn't really sleep because our weather was crazy, chat. Look at it. It was raining hard. Check it out. We just woke up. And it was stormy last night. The weather was crazy. But you come out our door and look at that. Nothing but beautiful Samunda. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Got beautiful days, guys. Beautiful Samunda. And this is my room, me and my brother sharing. Me and Uso Eva. This is our room for today. And tonight, hey, stay tuned, stay blessed, stay following. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's go, show your boys some love. Also, share the video. That's how we get out there, man. Check it out, family. I'm gonna give you a tour of our resort we're at right now. So these are the huts they got us in. Shout out to my cousin Quinton and his wife Taufua. They booked me and my brother here one of these rooms. So much appreciated. Big thank you to the Uso Quinton Toiloa, Lehua Toiloa. Thank you guys. Also shout out to my cousin Keith and his Mrs. Macrina. Thank you for guys. I'm just taking me and my brother out, man, showing us the love and just hosting for us out here, bro. How blessed can you get? I swear. Appreciate my day ones, man. For real, for real. And I got my brother behind me. Look. He's doing his thing. Yeah, this is our resort, guys. This is one of the pool area. This is the adult pool area. We got one of the homies over there cleaning. Check this out, man. How beautiful is this? Here in Samunda. All right, so we're making our way to the lobby. Just chat. We ain't got no internet, so we gotta go get an internet card. The staff's about to set up breakfast. Yeah, but I'm trying to go right where the pinpoint is. It's like 6 in the morning here, and I literally went to sleep like 3 hours ago. So yeah, we're gonna stay in here and use the internet. Let's go, chat. Morning. So yeah, it's 6 in the morning here, and everyone's still sleeping. But these amanitas can't sleep, so they come over here and faala everyone. All right, chat. Here at the Saletoga Hotel. So when you wake up in the morning, you come here to this room over here. Breakfast and dinner. This is what we got for our breakfast so far. So we got eggs. We got sausages. We got beans. Here we got spaghetti. Can't go wrong with the scrambled eggs. And you look at this, we even got taro, fruits, and veggies. The list goes on. Bread, croissant, as y'all know, cereal on this side. And we even got toast. Your usual for breakfast, guys. So, yeah, that's here at the Amanaki Hotel. I know, shit, Amanaki is Saletoga. Oh shit. He at the Saletoga Hotel. Ain't that stupid? Over there walking around saying, "You're at the Amanaki Hotel." No, this is the Saletoga Hotel. Shit, y'all just made me look like a dumbass, y'all. Yeah, look at my brother
I've
here.
been to a lot of resorts around the world, right? From Las Vegas, New Zealand.
Yeah. Chat, welcome. Here we are. Pin this. Can you pin or no? Like, nope. No. Oh, dang. It's like that way you don't have to go. If you keep note, if you can note it, then you don't have to. When you edit it, you know what points to go to.
Well, you're already noting it just by saying noting. So when I watch this, I know. So all right.
Oh, give me some Hot Wheels, chat.
Give me some Hot Wheels.
Let me get some little ones. Here we go,
Yeah.
chat. Here we are. Yeah, we're back here in the backs. We're just
about to run our stipulations again.
Yeah, inside. So yeah, we're gonna set new stipulations for today. So the new stipulation for today's Hot Wheels giveaway is gonna be blonde hair.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You used to have blonde in your hair. Hello, get out my way. Oh, look at that little baby. But they're in the store, so they privileged. We're looking for the underprivileged of Samoa. Cut, don't write that down. Scratch that. We're gonna find some kids, chat. We're gonna bless them. With we got a Ferrari. Oh, 2 Ferraris and a Red Bull Racing. Oh,
You guys already know how much these Ferraris go for.
Can I save the Red Bull for me? Alright. It's a bit rainy out, chat. It is Saturday as well. Oh, it's a Sunday. It's Sunday.
Everything's closed.
They might all be in church. So here we are rocking the block. I don't know if they're gonna be very appreciative. We're gonna be giving away gifts too on their Sabbath. So. Hey, who's this song? Shout this song out when you do it too.
Shout out to South City Tim and Saleni. Let's go.
That's a banger.
The song is called Unshamed, featured by James.
Taufua's right here. Should we go to Taufua? All the vloggers go to Taufua. Chat, we're not taking y'all to Taufua. I'm sure you already been at that over there.
Yeah. Taufua, we're gonna play it out.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep it on moving. Sure, you've seen Vavao. Everyone's blowing up the spot.
That's Taufua that way?
Yeah, Taufua.
Taufua.
People are probably like, man, these two are hoodlum, man. Find these fools and fussy them in a beer like chat. Well, be best those way, Lord. Don't take anything serious, man. It's all about the laugh, good times. Right? So today we're gonna have a very nice day. Even though the day don't look very nice, we're gonna take advantage and capture these opportunities. And how blessed is this, I get to spend it with my Uso as always. But now we got the niece and the sister in the back. Let's go!
Shout out.
So yeah, shout out to the owner of Saletoga. No.
That's Vavao. That's how you get to Vavao.
We're not going there?
You wanna go Vavao?
Oh, where are we going?
We're gonna go Lalomanu.
He doesn't get to choose. He's not going in the water.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
That part's gonna get cut out. Pin this point. So we're not gonna go over Valu, where we're not going to Taufua. We're going to Lalomanu's.
We're gonna go to the back.
So we're gonna show you guys one of Samoa's top 5 beaches. Chat, let us know in the comments below what's your top 5 beaches in Samoa. And don't say Lalomanu. Watch everyone say Lalomanu. It's flooded.
chat. So this is where the tsunami hit. Look at, I think they got smart and moving up.
So there used to be houses right here, chat, where all the sand here's, they got wiped out by the tsunami. So they moved it back there where it's a lot more safer. Some people even moved up to the hills, chat, which I don't blame them because Samoa is unpredictable with these crazy weathers. But when the sun is out, chat, this is beautiful. Oh, look at our bridge. It's
that's flooded. You can't go across.
Chat, look at that. Oh no. Samunda. Chad, look at this devastating house. Chad, so devastating. Much love to this family here. My heart goes out to you guys. Chad, we just found some kids. Check this out. Tell it. Baku toys here. Grab the toys here. Toys here. Here. Tell them. Store it to them. Take it. Let's go. Maro. Stop it. Nice, guys.
These are all happy. Oh, there's another one, but we don't have one. Let's get one.
Oh, there's a car. There's a car.
Touch it. Oh.
I don't like where this is going.
Okay.
We're not gonna do that again, Jack.
We're not doing that one again, Joe. That was a one and done. He got it, Joe. He got it. I felt bad. Look at him running to his friends. He's gonna be so sad. I got one of them. I got two. I'm like, oh shit. All right, we gotta only give one out at a time.
We're gonna go back here in 2026. You're gonna see the big difference. So stay tuned as we go to the Lalomanu and check out their new resorts. Let's go. Oh, Chad, look at that house. Such a devastating loss to all these families in this village. Damn. Beautiful Samunda.
Was my other
What if we go under there? Check it out. We just made it to Lalomanu. This is the number top 5 beaches in Samunda.
Yeah. No, we
One over there. Or this is the middle of between. So chat, check it out. This is how it works. You pull up into these parking spots on the sand. Someone will approach your car and they will give you a price. Now, I don't know if all the prices are the same, but they will give you a price. Yeah, so check it out. We just pulled up to Lalomanu and we're looking for these right here. You see that? We're on our way to look for these scooters. So they got the sign. Hopefully they got the scooter. So we're gonna go look for the front office and see where we can track down these scooters. But peep it. Also here at the Lalomanu Resort, the Taufua Beach Palace Bar and Restaurant. Welcome. So chat, unfortunately, we came to look for the scooters and the owner told us that sign is an old sign and they don't have the underwater scooters no more. But that's okay. We're gonna go make the most of it anyway, so stay tuned and follow us on our journey at Lalomanu. So check it out, we're here in Samoa checking out one of their top 5 beaches, Lalomanu. Keep us out. Damn.
The views are endlessly awesome. Damn. Check, look at these coconut trees. Check those out. Good fruits. Let's go. Over Tialata. Zam. Chat, check it out. Chat, we're with Tialata. Let's go. Chat, so Tialata says his boys collect Hot Wheels. So we're gonna bless them with Hot Wheels. If you don't know who this is, ex-rugby all-black player. If you know, you know. If you're into the rugby world, you would know. Ex-all-black rugby player, one of the legends. Let's fucking go. And he wants Hot Wheels from the Uso. Let's go. So we're going to bless him with some Hot Wheels. My cousin Q's going to grab some from the car. And bro, this is crazy. Here he comes right now. Bro, shout out to this guy. He's the one who told me go take a picture. Get your picture. Now's your chance. So, my soul, give me that little push. That's all we needed. So, chat, check it out. We're gonna give away Hot Wheels to Tialata. Let's go, brothers. Let's go. That's for you, man. Check this out. Oh, the legend. Family, check it out. It's your boy, the Uso. It's our second day here at Saletoga. And it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. And we're about to check out. It's been a blast. Been very fun. Thankful and grateful for having family like this, because this is crazy to be somewhere like this. Never thought I'd be here. So shout out to my cousin Quentin Toiloa and his wife Lehua Toiloa. Much appreciated. So thank you guys so much. One love. God bless you guys. So let's go. Beautiful, guys. Check this out. Chat, check this out. Beautiful Samoa. Just heading to the lobby. About to go have some breakfast and get ready to check out. So my review on this Saletoga hotel. Nice, beautiful. Breakfast and staff in the back there. This was a beautiful stay here at the Saletoga Reef Resort. Check it out, chat. This is the gift shop. This is the Saletoga Reef Resort gift store. Got a few nice things in here. So if you're trying to look for souvenir, antiques to take back home from your trip, nice little spots to pull in. All the sizes you need. So yeah, chat, if you come to Saletoga Reef Resort, they got a little shopping here where you can come do your little shopping, so you gotta go all the way to Upolu. So shout out to them for hosting us. And may you guys have a beautiful day.